Langezhuang village of Heizhuanghu town, Chaoyang District, has 370 households and a population of over 2,500. Heizhuanghu town has set up 38 checkpoints across the township that work around the clock. During the COVID-19 outbreak, all villagers are required to register at one of the checkpoints and do a security check upon entering the village. Facial recognition systems are installed at the entrance channel. Villagers with valid IDs can quickly go through the channel after clearing temperature check, reducing the number of people queuing up and gathering. All people returning to Beijing have to go through the following steps to enter the village: temperature check, hand disinfection, producing travel history for the past 14 days on their mobile phones, completing a health interview, filling an online form via QR code scan, getting a notification after the information has been reviewed, and signing a letter of pledge. After entering the village, a 14-day self-quarantine is required for all returnees, during which a self-conducted health report must be provided on a daily basis. Once the 14-day observation period ends, villagers with normal temperatures and no related symptoms can go to the community center with their ID and proof of body temperature to get a pass card. After the COVID-19 epidemic broke out, some of the parking lots in the village put up temporary daily necessities stations. Eligible suppliers provide truckloads of vegetables every 2 days, providing groceries for villagers. Multiple precautionary measures are taken, including pre-tracking the vegetables, enforcing a 1-meter distance rule for all shoppers, and paying with QR codes instead of cash. All of these measures are to lower the risk of cross-infection. A temporary delivery pickup point is set up at the entrance of the village. House numbers are written on the packages to make it easy to sort out and pick up the packages. The packages are disinfected at the manned pickup point. This is Liu Shihua, nicknamed Clapper Leo. As a local artist, he has created several works themed around epidemic prevention and control. He performs stand-up comedy with a set of bamboo clappers next to the temporary daily necessities station, using his art form to spread knowledge of epidemic prevention and control to locals and remind people returning to Beijing to follow the rules of self-quarantine. As of March 11th, there have been no new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in 12 districts of Beijing for 14 consecutive days, among which Heizhuanghu village is one. However, as more and more cases reported outside China, how to prevent the disease from creeping back in has become a top priority. According to the 6th edition of Practice Advisory on COVID-19, published by the National Health Commission of the People's Republic of China on March 7th, people coming to China, both Chinese and foreign nationals, are added to the key population of prevention and control work. All people entering Beijing need to follow the requirements of Beijing's epidemic prevention and control measures, receiving health management and carrying out a mandatory 14-day self-quarantine or group quarantine.